Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Niyamat Nagar for Gemini Properties and today we are at one of the most premium projects at Boat Club Road. So let's start the tour. We are now at the entrance lobby. This is the reception and this is where the security guard sits. Also here is where the sofa set is for your guests to wait for you. That also has AC. If you turn around, you will see this is how the project looks. Right next to the reception is where this Buddha statue is to make it more positive. There are two lifts in the building. This one and there is another one here. But this lift can only be operated by the flat owners because you need an access card to go up. This lift is a common lift, so you can use this lift to go up. Also you see this door. This door is what connects you to the parking area directly. And this is the fire exit or the stairs to go up. We are now entering the apartment. So there is only one apartment on every floor. So you can imagine how spacious the apartment is. This is the entrance of the apartment. It is an unfurnished apartment, 5,500 square feet. You can place your shoe rack over here or convert this into a very beautiful informal sitting for your guests. So as we enter, to my right there is this door. That is the powder room. So as we get out of the powder room, to my left side is where the living, the dining and the kitchen is. And to the opposite side is where all the bedrooms are. And also like I mentioned, it is an unfurnished apartment but the entire house has air condition and false ceiling in place. So this is the living area. You can see the living room is so spacious and trust me, the entire house is equally spacious. It is all marble flooring and as you can see there are windows everywhere, so proper ventilation in the house. Very easy to open, no struggle at all, and the entire house is newly and freshly painted. We look directly into the green areas. You can see it's all green, there are only trees around, and trust me, there's nothing coming up here. So this is going to be your view for your life if you buy this apartment. This is where the balcony is. This is the waterfall. It is shut right now because there is nobody staying here, but you can operate it in the evenings or just make it more beautiful by putting some pots over here. So being on a higher floor, you have a benefit of nothing coming in front of you. Like you can see, there are all bungalows down here. So there's nothing that's going to come up to the level that you are on. Right in front of the kitchen is where you can set your dining table and your chairs up. And that side you can convert it to your living area completely. is a modular kitchen. Let's go have a look. There's an island right in the center of the kitchen. A refrigerator. A microwave oven. Cabinets for storage. Soft dining, it's all new, you can understand when you use it. 5-burner hob and a chimney. The island also has drawers for storage. You can keep your masalas over here. There are 2 sinks over here. A connection for the water purifier. Racks. So you can basically just wash your vessels over here, put it up here so that the water drips down, and then put it in the cabinets because it's all made up of wood. So the water might just spoil it later. So let them drip out first and then put it in the cabinet. And also a connection so you can keep any of your mixer grinders or an oven over here so that tappan can be useful. Connecting to the kitchen is the utility area that has the washing machine. And also connecting to the kitchen is the dry balcony. There is also a connection here for your washing machine if you want to keep it over here. And this is where the servants' quarter is. So as you can see, this is where your servants can enter from. If you're not at home and you do not want your servants to enter your house, you can just keep them in this area and they can use this door to come in and go out. Also, this room is so spacious, and if you don't have a servant staying in with you, you can convert this area into your work from home space or your children's play area, something like that, because this has a lot of storage space too. So you can store your files in here. Or probably some toys for your kids over here. This room also has a bathroom attached. Let's go and see the bedrooms now. So right opposite the living and the dining area is where there is this passage that connects you to the main entrance, and then from there on the opposite side is where all the bedrooms are. So to my right is where the first room is. So this room does not have a bathroom attached, but this room can be used as your working space or your playing zone or a home theatre, and you can convert it the way you want to. And this room has wooden flooring. Full-length window. You can also put in some pots and plants over here to make the room greener, as it's already so green right in front of you. The fall ceiling is also done up in this room, and this room also has an AC. Every room comes with a key, so you can lock it every time you want it. Getting out of this room, as we go ahead, to my right is the first bedroom. This room also has marble flooring and not wooden flooring. False ceiling runner. The AC. And again, a full length window that also has a mosquito. Being on a higher floor, honestly, you won't need this, but why not? Again, looking right into the green part, green area. And a bathroom. The shower area is separate from the bathroom. Restroom. And right under the mirror there is some extra storage space. You can put your creams, your shampoos, makeup right away. A huge mirror as well. As we get out of this room, we enter into a huge area that you can also convert into your tiny living room, or something where you can have your informal sitting again over here. Let's go see the second bedroom. Again, this room has marble flooring, false ceiling and an AC. And again a bathroom attached. Also, every room has a provision for fans. Let's go see the third bedroom. Like the earlier rooms, this room also has the same specifications. Very breezy. It is very, very pleasant to be on such a higher floor. This bathroom has a huge mirror, 2 sinks, storage space, this room is huge and so spacious, you're gonna love it. So this is the master bedroom. The master bedroom also has ceiling, AC, provision for fan, marble flooring, a balcony attached to it. Again, looking right into the green area. Also has a window. All green and beautiful. Imagine waking up to this view every single day. Coming to the bedroom is the bathroom. And guess what? This bathroom has a jacuzzi. Looks like a dream, right? Storage space under the sink, a drawer, a sink and a huge mirror. The lights are so beautiful. Imagine the whole vibe. You're sitting here in the jacuzzi with a glass of wine in your hand. Just these lights on must be feeling like you're sitting right under the clouds in the sky. So like I mentioned, this can be converted into your tiny living room or your relaxation room with your family when you don't want to sit there in the same spot. So connecting to this area is another balcony. You can have your parties over here. A nice barbecue happening over there, a nice sitting over here. This balcony also has an awnings attached to it. So even if it's raining, your party is not going to be a flop. Again, the view being the same. So as you must have noticed, the entire house is surrounded by a lot of green. We're now on the terrace where all the amenities are. So the terrace has amenities like the party area, the gym and the swimming pool. So let's go see the gym first. This is where your restroom or your bathroom is. And right next to it is where the gym is. Trust me, this would have been one of the most convenient things for you during the COVID period or the Corona times. It has all the equipment, like everybody knows how gyms are shut and nobody can work out right now. It's really frustrating for some people, but this is where you could have worked out if you were living in this building. All the dumbbells, the machines, cardio machines, everything is here. A system that you can play your music on, the one that you vibe to and the one that you want to work out to. This is where you can have your parties. If you have people around 50, you can ask them to join you in here at your terrace, do a barbecue in one corner and have a blast over here. Set your bar up in one corner. And right across is where the swimming pool is. You have to use these stairs to go up. a shower area in the open. Imagine just having a nice shower in the sunny climate and then just jumping right into the pool. Look at this beautiful view. Oh wow. I would have loved to jump inside it right now. So cold and so nice. And because there's nothing around, you're going to be very comfortable swimming in your swimming costume here. Nobody can peep in, nobody can see. So speaking about the details of this apartment, the owner wants to sell or rent this apartment, and if you want to buy this apartment, the price that the owners are expecting is 8 crores 50 lakhs only, and if you want to rent this apartment, the rent that the owners are expecting is 2 lakhs 75,000 only. It is a 5,500 square feet apartment, and this building has only one apartment on every floor. So it is very spacious and very beautiful. The apartment comes with 2 car parks, and it is an unfurnished apartment that has ACs in the entire house. It's properly air conditioned with marble flooring. Apartment also has 100% DG backup, and also the kitchen is completely done up. Let me tell you all a little about Boat Club Road. When I say Boat Club Road, a lot of people already know what I'm speaking about. But for the people who are watching and who want to know more about Boat Club Road, here it goes. So this project is in Boat Club Road, one of the most premium locations of Pune. When I mean premium, I also mean that it is one of the oldest establishments of Pune, and the connectivity of Boat Club Road is amazing. As you know, Boat Club Road is very centrally located and has the airport, the railway station very close by. Around 10 to 15 minutes is what you take to reach over there. It is also very close to the Jahangir and the Ruby Hospital. Also the Osho Ashram is very close by. That means the Koregaon Park is very close by. It also has the oldest college, that is the Wadia College, very close. Also, just like the airport road, the Symbiosis College is also right there. So basically, your shopping, your essentials, your hospitals, everything is very close and very convenient to you if you are staying at Boat Club Road. You are going to feel rich, royal, and really good when you stay here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, that is Nadir Nilgiriwala, and also follow us on Instagram, that is Niyamat Nadir, and please contact the number given below, that is Rosina Nilgiriwala. She has all the details of this property or any property that you wish to buy in Pune. Thank you so much.